asking the Lord, like in Toronto, there was a whole bunch of laughter, and they called it holy laughter. People would just come in, start laughing, and when they would interview them, many of them had massive emotional healing, or they had, you know, just you know, they came out from under some oppression or some difficult thing that they've been walking through. But I'm saying, Lord, what is this that you're saying here? And I feel that there's two things that the Lord is saying in all the laughter in this group. The scripture that came to mind is that there's more joy in heaven over one sinner that repents than over 99 others that don't turn. And I feel like that this is like God is already about the mass salvations, the many that are coming. But also, a merry heart does good like a medicine. That there's going to be people that come in here that are going to be really broken. The addicts are going to come in here. And the Lord's going to fill them. And they're just going to like laugh their way out. Like Jackie Pullinger, they get filled with the Spirit. And they start speaking in tongues and move through withdrawals. I feel like laughter will be a sign of breaking of bondages and things like that. People coming.